Welcome. I will now show you how to use AjourObjects step by step. Open Settings and select which discipline you want to see in the Revit toolbar. And close. Go to the object you want to search from in the cloud database. As you can see, there are several data sources. You can add parameters you want to base the search on, and by tapping the parameter name, you organize the search. Select the object you want to insert in your model by double tapping. Now draw and place the object in the model. As you can see, it is the same object as we inserted from the database. It's also possible to search on detailed components, and here we have added images on all of our objects. So you can see there are several data sources from Phoenix Roof, a Danish manufacturer, but also local detail items. Insert and model. One of the key features in AjourObjects is that you of course can upload your own objects. Select bulk upload for upload from your local desktop. Select the folder you want to upload from. If you want to upload your system families from the project to the database, you go to Upload. Here you select the categories you want to upload. I select the walls in this project and I press on OK. Now the system will upload all the system families to my warehouse, and here you can see which objects the database contains. As you might can see, some of my objects from the model ain't updated in my database. Now I want to share them with all the colleagues from my company, and I press OK, and the database will be uploaded with the new objects. It might take a little while if you have a lot of objects into the database. But if you want to administrate the users, go to Settings, follow the link, and will open a website. Here you can add your password and go into Users. And here you can see a list of all of the users to the system. To change user information or change user rights, go down to select role, and here you can make him a user, an administrator, or connect him to a database.